Tonight of the investigation into Jennifer Dulos' disappearance. This weekend we learned that Fotis Dulos, the estranged husband of Jennifer, hired a new lawyer. These developments come after the previous lawyer representing him dropped him. Channel 3's AADEN is joining us now live in the studio with a closer look at some of the well-known cases that attorney Norm Fotis has taken on in Connecticut. Aya?
Kevin, Norm Fotis is a prominent lawyer who has been involved in many cases similar to the Dulos investigation, and high-stakes criminal defense is just one of his areas of legal focus. He's controversial and relentless, and now Fotis Dulos is his newest client. Attorney Norm Fotis currently represents right-wing radio host Alex Jones in a defamation case. Sandy Hook families are suing him over claims he made, arguing the massacre was staged. Jones blames the comments on psychosis. Norm Fotis represented a suspect in the 2015 case of a missing couple from Easton. The bodies were found months later. Their son, Kyle Navin, is now serving 55 years for shooting his parents. Fotis represented Navin's girlfriend, Jennifer Valiente. She's serving 8 years in prison for conspiracy to commit murder and hindering prosecution. When asked about that case a few days ago, Fotis said this.
Our defense there was mere presence. Mr. Navin was the killer, we contended. We never participated with the state or cooperated. We were asked to, but it wasn't my client's intention to do that.
Norm Fotis also represented Tony Moreno. He's the father from Middletown who was found guilty of throwing his 7-month-old son off the Aragoni Bridge in 2015. These were some of his arguments during that trial.
Don't be moved by passion, by sympathy, by anger. Don't do what the state did in its argument and refuse to consider the law.
Fotis defended conservative speaker Lucian Wintrich in 2017. He was involved in a scuffle with a woman who stole his notes during a speech he made at UConn. Wintrich was arrested, but the breach of peace case was eventually dropped. Fotis saying this at the time.
My client came to Connecticut and was treated like a criminal for no reason.
Fotis also represented a fugitive from Georgia who hid in Connecticut for nearly 50 years. His client, Robert Stakowitz, successfully fought extradition because of his health problems. He died in December of 2016. Tuesday is the first time we'll see Norm Fotis representing Fotis Dulos in that criminal case. Dulos is being charged with hindering prosecution and tampering evidence. He'll appear before a judge in Stamford. Aya Glal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.